I love to entertain, and for me, some of the stuff that I love to entertain with is pretty silver and pretty crystal. My mom didn't love crystal, china, and silver. She thought it was way too much trouble. So I have no family heirlooms. So what I do, I go to estate sales, secondhand shops, and flea markets, because you never know what you're going to find. I found an amazing set of what turned out to be Lalique glasses, so cheap, 13 for like $80, and they're all signed. Amazing. And when you travel, go to the secondhand shops. My sister lives in Denver, so we went to a secondhand store in Denver. The coolest thing, the kids there don't want the crystal, china, and silver, so the parents give it to the secondhand shops. I got these beautiful pieces in Denver, shipped them home. Don't be worried if that silver looks black. You can always shine it up. And if there's extra worn spots on it, get it replated. It'll be way less expensive than a brand new giant silver platter. If you're lucky and your mom's got this stuff and she's giving it to you, I wish I was there. But if you're like me, there's always estate sales.